Good morning. Welcome back to maths class. Today we will do the revision of chapter number 6. So let's start. First is additive inverse. Inverse. Addition. Inverse means opposite. So if 5 is given to you, this is given, and the question is to find the additive inverse. Then what is the 5 means plus 5. So what is the additive inverse? The additive inverse of plus 5 is minus 5. Similarly, if we have minus 6, this is minus 6, then additive inverse, in additive inverse you will write plus 6. So this concept is very important. Additive, addition, inverse, opposite. So plus will change to minus and minus will change to plus. This is first concept. Now come to the second concept, absolute value. The absolute value of a number is always positive, means regardless of sign. And whenever you will observe any number under these two straight lines. And what is the name of these two straight lines? These two straight lines known as modulus. Modulus. What is the name? Modulus. Modulus. And modulus is used to find the absolute value. And when you write minus 5 in it, minus 5, then what is the absolute value? The absolute value is equal to plus 5. Now next, based on the absolute value, what is the absolute value of 8? So what is the meaning of 8? 8 means no sign plus 8. So what is the absolute value of 8? Yes. What absolute value of plus 8 is 8. Means plus 8. Why? So this is the why I am explaining these two concepts side by side, because students face problem and sometimes they have confusion and they apply the same inverse concept in absolute value. But both are the different terms. In additive inverse, plus will change to minus and minus will change to plus in additive inverse. But absolute value means always positive. माइनस है तो भी वो प्लस होगा, प्लस है तब भी वो प्लस ही होगा, वो माइनस में चेंज नहीं होगा. Absolute value means absolute value is always positive. So plus is plus, and if minus is given, then the minus will also change to plus. So this is the concept of absolute value. Now come to the next part. Beta, who is on the idea of Komal Kaur? Write down in the chat box your name. Komal Kaur. Write down in the chat box who is on the idea of Komal Kaur. Jasmine Kaur. Okay. Now come to the next. Find the value of minus 30 minus minus 28. Nischay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Nischay, tell me, find the value of, what is the meaning of these two straight bars? I am just explaining what is the meaning of these two straight bars. Nitya. Nitya, you are unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Nitya, tell me, what is the value of these two straight bars? क्या इसका क्या? What is the meaning? What does it mean? Yes, Harjeet. Yes.
Ma'am, this is modules.
Yes, modulus. And modulus is used to find absolute value. Okay? And tell me, what is the absolute value of minus 30?
Ma'am, plus 30.
Very good. This is 30. 30 means plus 30. Now this is minus outside. Outside minus is minus. Now tell me again, modulus minus 28. Modulus minus 28. Now what is the value of modulus minus 28?
Minus 28 plus 28.
Is 28. Plus 28 means 28. So 28. So in the result, either write plus 30 or alone 30. Both are the same thing. Because no need to put plus sign. So 30 minus 2 in the result, you will write 2.
Result is equal to 2.
Very good, very good. Now come to the next. The question is, next question is, find the difference find the difference between 11 and 24. Now tell me, how can you solve this sum? Find the difference between 11 and 24. Kanav. Kanav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of difference, Kanav?
Yes, ma'am.
Difference. What is the meaning of difference?
Ma'am, minus.
Minus. Now tell me,
Ma'am,
find the
subtract
difference.
minus.
Yes. Find the difference between 11 and 24. So, which number you will write at the first place?
Ma'am, 24.
Why? यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है subtract 11
Ma'am,
from
because
20. आपको ये लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे subtract 11 from 24. This thing is given to you?
No, ma'am.
No. No. What is given? Find the difference between 11 and 24. It means in place of and you will put minus sign. That's it. Because the meaning of the
11
difference
minus
is, yes. So 11 minus 24. Now tell me, what is the sign of this 11? What is the sign
Ma'am,
of
plus.
this? Yes, plus. Why plus? Why not minus?
Ma'am, because there is no sign before 11.
Very good. Because there is no sign in front of 11, no sign means the sign of plus. So this is plus. It means this number is from the positive family. This number is from the negative family. Positive family and negative family means different family. Now tell me, if the numbers from the different family, then how will you get the result?
Ma'am, 11 minus 24.
How will you get the result? If the number from the different family, then how will you get the result? We have two operations now. One is addition and second is subtraction.
Minus.
Yes.
Plus minus minus.
Yes, we will get the result by subtraction. Because plus minus is equal to minus. So 24 minus 11, 13 plus 13.
Minus 13.
Very good. Minus 13. Plus minus, but the sign of bigger number in the result. And the bigger number is 24. In front of 24, we have minus sign. So minus sign in the result. And all the students listen to me very, very carefully. The sign of any number is always in the front of number. Front of number. So this minus is not for 11. ये 11 के front पे नहीं है, ये 24 के front पे. So this minus, ये किसका minus है? 24 का. किसका sign का है? इसका sign इसके आगे होगा. No sign means the sign of plus. Okay? So when the question is find the difference between, then and. In place of and, you will put minus sign. And you will not write 24 minus 11. Okay? Come to the next question. Navya. Navya, unmute yourself. Netik Kapoor, unmute yourself. Yes. Netik, are you hearing me? Netik, you are unmute. Speak. Subtract the sum of minus 8 and minus 28 from the sum of minus 30 and 31. Mystery, unmute. Bhavya,
यस मैम.
my video is free.
फ्रीज होगी वीडियो.
मेरी वीडियो फ्रीज हो गई है?
नहीं नहीं,
नहीं, चल रही है.
अब हिले हो आप. मेरे को लगा शायद
वो
freeze
तो
हो गई.
बेटा मैं अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ, कोई बोलता ही नहीं है आपकी क्लास में से. जिसको अनम्यूट कर रहे हो चुप करके बैठ जाते हैं. मैंने कल से ना क्लास में वही बच्चे रखने हैं जिन्होंने मुझे आंसर देने हैं, बाकियों को मैंने रिवीजन नहीं करानी. नाउ टेल मी भव्या, how can you solve the sum? Subtract the sum of minus 8 and minus 28 from the sum of minus 13 and 31.
मैम पहले हम -8 और -28 का सम निकालेंगे,
So this
फिर
is step number
-31
one.
31 का।
Yes, wait. This is step number one. Sum of -8 and -28. So negative number you will put under the bracket. So -8 in place of and you will put plus
Plus.
sign because the question is sum. Sum of. So -28.
ब्रैकेट 20 -20।
So it is compulsory to write negative number under the bracket in the first step. After that, you will remove the bracket. So remove this bracket. You will get
-8
-8. Now bhaiya plus
-28. -28
-28. -8 from the negative family. -28 from the negative family.
family।
Same family. Negative family means both a number from the same family.
Plus.
So how you get the result?
By adding them।
Adding. By addition. So 28 plus 8, 36, but with negative sign. Addition doesn't mean you will put a plus sign here. Addition is the rule. But the rule of one more rule of integer, if the numbers are from the negative family, then the result is also from the negative family. So -36. Next is not for you. Mishti Puri, unmute yourself. Mishti Puri, unmute yourself.
Yes ma'am।
Yes. Now tell me what is the second step? Step number 2. Tell me the step number 2 of this sum. Sum of -8 and -28 we have done. What is the next step? Very good, Suhana. What is the next step, Mishti? What is the... Yes.
-13 plus 31।
Yes. In the step 2, sum of. Again the sum of. -13. So put -13 under the bracket. Always write down the negative number under the bracket in the first step. Now remove the bracket. You will get -13 plus 31. Now Mishti, -13 is from which family?
Negative।
This is negative family number and this is positive family number. It means different family. And in different family, how you get the result? By addition or by subtraction? Subtraction. So 31 minus 13, this is 11, 8, 18. Plus 18 or minus 18?
Plus 18।
18 because the sign of bigger number. So in the first step you will get -36. In the next step you will get +18. Now the sum is not finished. Check. Subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. From. So in the step number 3. In the step number 3. Now Mishti, next is not for you. Chinmay. Akriti. Yes. Yes. Akriti, इसका सम आया -36 और इसका सम आया +18. लास्ट में है subtract the sum of this from this. So which number you will write at the first place in the step number 3? Akriti, tell me. Subtract the sum of this. इसका sum कितना आया? -36. From the sum of this. इसका sum कितना आया? +18. So during subtraction you will write which number at the first place? Yes, Suhana.
Yes, ma'am.
Suhana, tell me which number you will
Ma'am,
write at the
plus-
first place?
Plus 18 minus
Plus 18. Plus 18 means 18. Yes,
minus bracket started.
Yes.
Minus 36 bracket
Yes.
closed.
yes. Bracket is compulsory because 36 with negative sign. Now minus minus
Plus
so both are plus. So 18 plus 36 54.
plus 54.
So this is the final result. So in the step number 1, you will find the sum of first two number, then find the sum of next two number. After that, come here, subtract the sum from. So from number always at the first place. So plus 18 minus 36. Now come to the next. Add yes, tell me your doubt.
मेरे को डाउट है जो आपने
Yes.
ना एक वीडियो भेजी थी ना असाइनमेंट वाली लेसन 6 वाली
हाँ जी.
मैम उसमें जो 7th क्वेश्चन था ना कि P and Q are two integers such
Yes.
that P is successor of
Yes,
Q
yes, yes.
and find the value of P minus Q.
Yes.
तो मैम उसमें पहला स्टेप तो P minus P is equal to Q plus 1 था मैम.
हाँ.
फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप में भी तो आंसर निकल ही रहा है कि P minus Q is equal to 1. आपने
हाँ.
कटिंग करके करवाई
It is given that P is successor of Q. This question is from the assignment of chapter 6. P is successor of Q. So P is Q plus 1. Next is P minus Q. P minus Q. So P is Q plus 1. So you will write here Q plus 1 minus Q. This is cut and the result is 1. यही था भव्या?
नहीं पर ना इसके अगले स्टेप में आंसर नहीं निकल रहा P minus Q is equal to 1.
हाँ तो P minus Q is equal to 1 आया ना. ये तो आपने लास्ट में कंक्लूड किया रिजल्ट. आया तो यहीं से ना.
तो कटिंग के बिना भी तो आ सकता है ना मैम 1 इसका.
आप कटिंग मत करो. आप Q plus 1 minus Q we know Q minus Q 0 मत करो. आप कटिंग वैसे मान लिख दो. पर आपको ये वहां पे पुटिंग तो करके दिखानी है ना. बिकॉज द कंडीशन इज गिवन टू यू. P is the successor of Q. This is the condition. तो आपको ये कंडीशन वहां पे अप्लाई करके दिखानी पड़ेगी. What is the meaning of successor? Successor means number plus 1. So successor means number plus 1. You have to put it and then you will give the answer. But if this question is of MCQ, then you can give the answer directly. But if this question is of 2 marks, then you will solve like this.
ओके मैम.
Okay? हाँ. Yes, Kanav. Kanav.
मैम मैम प्लीज एक बार ये दोबारा समझाना, मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
Okay. आपने वीडियो देखी? आपने वीडियो देखी है कनव? ये वीडियो में क्वेश्चन है.
मैम देखी थी मैम, मेरे को वहां से समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैम।
Now tell me what is the meaning of successor? What is the meaning of successor? Tell me. Successor means number plus one. This is the meaning of successor. Successor means number plus one. So given है P is successor of Q. This is given. P. Now tell me if P is successor of Q, then how can you write P in term of Q? Q plus 1. P is successor of Q, and what is the meaning of successor? Successor means number plus 1. So Q plus 1, and the question is find P minus Q. P minus Q. So in place of P, you will write this Q plus 1. So Q plus 1 minus Q. This is Q, this is minus Q, Q, but and result is equal to 1. वैसे भी P Q का सक्सेसर है. सक्सेसर में दोनों नंबर्स में कितने का गैप होता है? 1 का. अगर 2 और 1 का सक्सेसर 2 है, तो इन दोनों में कितने का गैप है? 1 का. तो यही है. गिवन है P इज सक्सेसर ऑफ Q, तो दोनों नंबर्स में कितने का गैप होगा? 1 का. ओके. यस नित्या.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस.
मैम मैंने ये पूछना था, जो आपने मॉडिक्यूलर निकाला था, जो मैं इससे भी आपने पूछा था बार्स वाला.
हाँ जी.
मैम वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मॉड्यूलर्स क्या होते हैं?
नाम है उसका. ये 2 स्ट्रेट लाइन को मॉड्यूलस बोलते हैं. इसका नाम है, नेम है इसका. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको ब्रैकेट बोलते हैं ना, तो इसको मॉड्यूलस बोलते हैं. नाम है उसका. और मॉड्यूलस के अंदर जो नेगेटिव नंबर लिखा जाता है वो पॉजिटिव बन के बाहर निकलता है. ये एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, इंटीजर में हमने एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू दी थी. मॉड्यूलस इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, एंड एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू मींस whenever you will write any number under it, the negative number change to plus.
मैम मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आया कि उसमें हमने वो तो कर दिया, मॉड्यूलर्स के बाद तो पॉजिटिव नंबर निकाल दिया, फिर उसके बाद उसको माइनस ही करना है कि प्लस आए, प्लस वाला साइन आए तो प्लस ही करना है?
अगर प्लस वाला साइन आएगा तो प्लस करेंगे. अगर ऐसे होता -28 प्लस -30, है ना, तो दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, दिस इज +28. ये प्लस है, दिस इज 30. तो अब आप प्लस करोगे 58. माइनस होगा तो माइनस करोगे, यहाँ पे प्लस होगा तो प्लस करोगे. ओके, हमेशा माइनस नहीं करोगे. क्लियर? Now come to the next. Add 5 plus -11 using number line. This is the question. Prerna. Prerna, unmute yourself.
Yes ma'am.
Tell me, how can you solve this sum? Add 5 plus -11 using number line.
मैम पहले हमें नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है.
ठीक. The first step is to draw the number line. And when you will draw the number line, these arrows are compulsory. Now tell me, on this number line we have in the middle, which number?
मैम 0.
On right hand side you have positive number or negative number?
मैम प्लस वाला.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on left hand side we have negative numbers. So minus
Negative.
1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So this is the first step to draw the number line. And when you will draw the number line, arrows are compulsory. These arrows are compulsory. Now tell me, what is the next step?
मैम उसके बाद वो
5 plus minus 11. 5 plus minus 11. Then from 0, you will start from 0.
प्लस
हाँ.
5.
Direct 5. 5 means plus 5. So direct jump to 5. And in the next step, minus 11. Because 5 plus minus 11. Now, from 5, 11 jumps, small jumps, like whole numbers. Same हमने number line whole number में भी की हुई है. Same. Now, first jump from 0 to 5 directly. Then from 5 minus 11, 11 jumps on left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
9.
Highlight this. And in the result you will write result is equal to minus 6. So this is the way to solve this sum. And these two arrows are compulsory. Similarly, these arrows are also compulsory. So first jump from 0 to the first number. The first number is plus 5. So you will take direct jump to 5. Then from 5, 11 small jumps on the left hand side because of this minus sign. Okay?
Okay.
Now the next is add minus 3 plus minus 2. First of all, this is minus 3. Open the bracket and you will write minus 3 plus minus 2. Draw number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Like this. My next question is for Yuvraj. Yuvraj, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yuvraj, tell me from 0, first jump to 0. We will start from 0 now. From 0 to direct jump.
Yes.
किस नंबर पे डायरेक्ट जंप?
मैम 5 पर.
आपका फर्स्ट नंबर कौन सा है? आपका
-3.
हाँ, तो 0 से फर्स्ट जंप डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट नंबर पे ही लोगे. 0 से डायरेक्ट जंप -3. And this is the same method as we have done in whole numbers, the same method. The only difference is in whole number, all the numbers are plus. Here we have negative numbers also, but the method is the same. So 0 to the first number. Now minus 2. Next, minus 2 means 2 small jumps on left hand side. So this is from 3. Minus 3. This is 1 and this is 2. Because of this minus 2 and highlight this. And here you will write result is equal to minus 5. So from 0, direct jump to the first number. Then from the first number, small jumps according to this. Minus 2. Minus 2 means left hand side. So from minus 3, you will again move to the left hand side, 2 jumps. Okay? Now come to the next. Find the value of minus 26 plus 32 plus minus 10. Who want to give the answer of this question? Raise your hand. A child who want to give the answer of this question, raise your hand. Yes, Kanav, unmute yourself. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the first step.
Ma'am, first of all, we will open the brackets.
Yes. When you will open the bracket, this is minus 26 plus 32 plus
Minus 10.
minus 10. Now tell me the next step.
Ma'am, now we will add minus 26 with minus 10.
हाँ, ऐसे कर लो. This is your wish. So many ways to solve this sum. Now negative negative. Now you want to combine negative negative numbers. Negative numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, positive numbers. Negative numbers minus 26 and minus 10 and positive number plus 32. So minus
Plus
minus
32.
yes minus 36. After that you will combine this
Ma'am.
minus 36 with 32.
Plus 32.
Ma'am,
Minus now minus plus minus.
Minus plus
Ma'am, minus plus minus.
Minus because the different family. Negative family, positive family, different family. Subtraction है. Subtraction. So the result is
Minus 4.
very good. Minus 4. So first of all, you will separate negative numbers and positive numbers. Negative, negative, same family. Same family will give the result by addition. Okay. Now note down and remaining we will do next week, and tomorrow I will send the revision of chapter 1 and chapter 2.
Okay, ma'am.